Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Golden Guitar. We have a nice song here from Lisa. It's called Moonlit Floor. Alright, so we're gonna work with 3 chords only, and it goes like that throughout this song. So, anyway, let's put that capo on the 3rd fret. With that, we have the easiest chords possible for this song. So, capo on 3rd, and let's go over the C major 7, the D minor 7, and the F minor. Okay. That is the C major 7, and it goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is the D minor 7, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. And what I do here, I place a short little bar on the 1st fret to cover the E and B string, and then I just add on the 2nd G, and together with open D, that makes up the chord. And then finally we have the F minor. That's a bar chord where you play the bar, index finger on the 1st fret, and cover all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A and 3rd on D. All right, so from the C to D to F. All right, now we have a strumming. And we're gonna first play it for a couple of rounds, and then I'm gonna explain how it's done. So it goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, 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 up. Okay, so the last down up here is very prominent in this song, okay, because there are guitarists who really pretty much just plays that. So down, 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 up. So you push a little bit extra when you do the down up here in this first part. So, and you wanna push that forward, and that meaning you're gonna play everything else, the first 2 downs, a little bit more gently. So you have the differences there, all right? So down, 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 up. And then you're gonna continue with down, 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 up. And again, you can play that a little bit gently. Down, 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 up in the end there. So that will be, if you connect these 2 parts, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That is 1 round. So alright, so you're gonna play C 2 string rounds, the D 1 string round, and F sharp 1 string round. And that's what's going on here. From the beginning till the very end, a couple of rounds of C2, D1, F1, it goes like this. And that's how I handle Moonlit Floor. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, play tuned.